Welcome back, editor. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently fix the no internet and too many people are using. This feature errors 100%. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete and permanent fix, and I'll demonstrate it live so you have no doubts at all. For this tutorial, I'm using Capcut version 16.9.1, which is the latest version. All the bugs are fixed in this update, and I haven't faced any issues while using it. I've been using it for the past week, so I can confidently say that it's working 100%. So let's get started with the video.
Turn on your VPN and select any country you prefer. Then open Capcut and make sure the version is 16.9.1. This version is working amazingly well. All templates are working. And every effect loads properly. You can use both pro and free effects without any issues. You can apply any animation. Everything runs smoothly without lag. There are no internet or too many people are using this feature errors. It's 100% working. Can't explain the download method here due to YouTube guidelines, so you'll have to figure that part out yourself. Links are in the description. If you have any doubts or questions after watching the video, feel free to message me on Instagram. All links are in the description, so make sure to check it out.